Hello, everyone. I am thrilled to be here announcing our newest feature, the integrated point of sale system. So, we heard from a lot of folks that you might have gift shops or you sell items and want more of a touch screen friendly, similar to other point of sale systems out there. Well, we've built one for you. So, this is version one, and I'm here to show it to you. You will notice a new section here under the reservations called POS. When you click on that, what it's going to show you is the categories that you currently have set up in the configuration section. If you don't see that or they don't make sense, don't worry, you can go in there and sort of categorize all those items. Um, when I click on these, what another cool feature is in that configuration area, you can load up photos of your items. So you will notice that as well. So let's get started. You can kind of see this is a really touchscreen friendly environment. So if you did have a tablet, these are nice, easily accessible by just tapping it with your finger. So let's give an example. If somebody comes in and purchases a Diet Coke and a hot dog, I've got this food beverage I can just click on, and you'll notice I've got a Diet Coke. I'm going to click on that. I got a hot dog. I'm going to click on that. Let's say they add two hot dogs. I can just click on it again, and you'll notice it goes over to two. I can just click up, keep clicking on it, or I can modify quantities over here on the right-hand side, and I can minimize those or add in over here. I can also just empty this cart if I want to start over. I'm not going to do that, but at this point, now we've got two options. Are they wanting it to put on an existing invoice, or are they going to make a retail sale here? So on the bottom, you're going to notice retail sale means I'm just going to pay this. Let's click on it, pay it, you're done. Um, but I'm going to focus on the assign to, which means you're going to put it on an invoice of somebody that's staying with you. So I click on assign to. By default, we're going to show any active invoices. And what we mean by active invoices is any current reservation that's here, as well as any POS item invoices that have a balance due on it. So that's that top example. That's just they're not here on site, they're not staying with me, but there's an open balance. Could be somebody that runs a tab once a month, comes in and pays it. Um, but you get the idea. So, but this example, I'm going to choose cabin 3. So, Filio comes in and he wants to put it on his invoice. So I can just simply click on that. And now you'll notice I've added a hot dog and a Diet Coke here on June 13th. And that's probably it. He leaves, good to go. Thank you. I can close out and start back over. Um, this is version one of this, so we love feedback. You may get asked whether you like it or dislike it, but also shoot us an email, provide us some feedback. We will continue to grow this and make it super functional and develop it into a fully featured point of sale system. So we're super excited. Enjoy. Let us know what you think. Thanks.